Foxwoods Resort Casino is the largest resort and casino in the Northeast, and Foxwoods is actually owned by the Mashantucket Pequot Tribal Nation. Foxwoods is about 6,000 full-time employees currently. We have 3 hotels, multiple casinos, restaurants, retail, lots of different activities. We are a resort casino, and our #1 goal is to provide the best customer service in the industry.
We had actually been in a process of looking to replace HP Service Manager for a few years. Gotten to a point where we were no longer supported by HP. As things broke, there were certain things that couldn't be fixed. We had just reached a point where we couldn't survive on our old application any longer.
Over time, we didn't upgrade. It got out of date. We decided we were going to upgrade, and in doing that, we realized, well, this is really a rip and replace. So why don't we see what else is out there in the industry?
One of the big problems with our old application is we had issues with keeping track of assets properly. Right now we have about 28 or 29,000 devices in our CMDB. We had probably 3,000 or 4,000 that we had no idea where they were. They were just marked as unknown location. Using Cherwell, we were able to narrow down where those devices were.
We were looking for a cloud service as a service. We didn't want to implement the technology, the infrastructure, and try and keep it up to date. We said, we'll let Cherwell keep the application current. It ended up being a good fit for us. Cherwell has allowed us to provide great customer service to our internal customers, who then in turn can provide great customer service to our guests.
The industry as a whole is moving towards automation, everything happening on its own in the background, and users to focus on providing better service as opposed to having to worry about like the nitty-gritty. When we were looking at ServiceNow, they had different levels of their application, and we didn't like the fact that we would have to pay extra if we decided there was this additional module that we wanted to take advantage of. We liked the fact that with Cherwell, we had everything, and we could build anything else if we had some unique thing come up.
Currently, Cherwell is supporting our incident response and our asset management. Since the initial implementation, we've also started to put our change control process into it, and we're currently working on a service catalog to implement with Cherwell. The decision to go with Cherwell was fairly easy based, I think, on really 2 major things: cost and the capabilities of the system. Cherwell really fit our business level very well, and it was very cost competitive. You know, it was an easy choice for us. It makes my life easier when we have an application that is supported, stays current, and I don't have to worry about keeping it up to date, and I can sleep at night not worrying about the Cherwell application running.